Alright, today we're going to have a quick and simple video of how to change out an LED bulb on the controller from Rec Room Masters. The first step is you're just going to grab your whole LED switch and you're just going to turn it to the right and it'll pop and it just comes right out very easily. You'll notice your LED bulb is there. You can probably pull this out with your fingers. If not, you can always use like some pliers or something to get it out. The next step is you'll take the positive side, should be going to the right, and the negative to the left. There's also an indication on the switch as well. You probably can't see it in the video because it's white on white, but it is there. The bulb is denoted with a positive and a negative for your two sides as well. And then all you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're just going to slide it right in there. Make sure that you push it in all the way, and now you've changed out your LED bulb. The last step is you're just going to put it back in, turn it to the left until it clicks, and you're done. You have a brand new LED bulb.